Welcome to True Alignment Osteopathy and Sports Therapy Practice. Our practices run in the Manchester area. We've got two, one in Sale and one in Didsbury, and we've got almost 20 years of experience. We've got a depth of knowledge in all sorts of injuries, and shoulders are not the exception. In fact, I would go as far to say as shoulders are my personal favourite injury to treat. We've got tons of muscles in this shoulder, 26, all attaching to a ball and socket joint, which is going through lots of different pressures and dynamic changes as you move. So the injuries are quite intricate and can be quite involved. But don't worry, you're in the right place. We're really experienced in dealing with these sorts of injuries, and so we're going to be able to structure a way out of this. Initially, what's going to happen is we're going to take you through a detailed, thorough examination to find out exactly which muscles, tendons, ligaments, or even nerves are involved, or joint. Obviously, you think that there's just one, there's a few joints in that shoulder, but we're going to find out exactly which are involved and which are not involved in your particular injury. Once we've got that understanding, we'll be able to report that in detail to you. Don't worry, it won't be going over your head. We're going to go over things until you understand them, because your understanding for us is very important, because that gets you on the same page as us when it comes to rehabilitation. And your rehabilitation is essential. That is what you're doing. We're going to treat you, and then we're going to rehabilitate you outside of the practice at the same time by giving you exercise prescription in a detailed, bespoke way. So, if you're struggling from a shoulder pain that's an old injury that you've been struggling with for a long time, or whether it's a new injury from sport, or maybe you're just lifting something out of the car or lifting your shopping onto the conveyor belt, doesn't matter, don't worry. We're really adept at understanding the anatomy and treating all sorts of shoulder complaints. It may not even be in your shoulder, it may be felt in your shoulder, but it may be coming from somewhere else, and so we're going to be able to work that out. The whole consultation and treatment approach is very relaxed. Remember, the 20 years experience, or almost 20 years experience, doesn't just give us a depth of knowledge understanding tissues, it gives us expert ways of treating patients. You're going to be made to feel very comfortable at the same time as working your injury through. So if you're a little bit anxious, don't panic. We're going to go nice and smooth, and we're going to be guided by you. So if it's too painful, we'll slow down. Ultimately, our job is to find out what tissues are involved and which are not in that area, and then we're going to be able to give you a diagnosis. And once we've given you the diagnosis, we can then form a prognosis, how long it's going to take you to get better. Ultimately, we're going to treat you and get you on the road to recovery. If you're struggling with shoulder pain, give us a call. We're looking forward to hearing from you. We are able to diagnose and treat successfully all different kinds of injuries that are originating from the neck. And so if you're struggling with neck pain, it can be really debilitating, making driving or even communicating with your friends really difficult. And so our advice would be stop struggling, take action, and give us a call. With all that wealth of experience, we're going to be able to structure a plan out of this in order to get you feeling better and reduce pain, even out of pain, as fast as possible. And so give us a call. We're looking forward to helping you. If you've not been before, don't panic. True Alignment is a really welcoming practice. All our therapists are extremely professional and friendly. The environment is lovely. So you're going to be welcomed into the practice after you've made your appointment, and you'll be taken through a thorough consultation. It's all relaxed at the same time as being very professional. We're going to be guided by your pain pattern. Once we've started to get into the tissues and we understand what's going on, we're then going to be able to report a diagnosis, after which we'll give you a prognosis, roughly how long it's going to take you to get better with treatment. And at times we're going to be implementing different exercises in order to aid and speed up your rehabilitation. The treatment itself uses soft tissue techniques, mobilizations, and at times, if necessary, manipulations. But don't panic. This is not going to be a shock to you. It's all going to be explained. Everything's going to be open and honest, and so you're in safe hands. If you're struggling with neck pain, stop, give us a call, and let's see what we can do. We're looking forward to hearing from you.